Today, I'll walk you through how to show and hide slicers without clearing filters using Power by Bookmarks and Buttons, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to manage your slicers effectively so you can enhance your Power by reports. First, let's open Power by. If you have it installed, go ahead and launch the application. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, we'll navigate through it together. Now you should see a slicer on your canvas. This slicer will allow other visuals to react based on your selections. It's essential for interactive reporting, so keep that in mind as we proceed. Next, we'll create two rectangles that will serve as our show and hide buttons. To do this, click on the Insert tab and then select Shape. Choose a rectangle and draw it on your canvas. Repeat this process to create a second rectangle. Once you have both rectangles, let's add some text. Toggle the text button and label one rectangle as Show. Then, copy this text and place Hide on the other rectangle. Feel free to customize the colors or styles of these buttons based on your preference to make them visually appealing. Now we need to set up bookmarks. Go to the View tab and click on Bookmarks. Here we'll create two bookmarks, one for when the slicer is shown and another for when it's hidden. This is a crucial step for managing the visibility of our slicers. Next, let's navigate to the View tab again and look for sections. Click on it and you'll see an eye icon. This icon allows you to show or hide sections in your report. We want to set it up so that the Show button is hidden when both the slicer and the Hide button are visible, and vice versa. Remember to click the Update button after every modification you make. This ensures that your changes are saved and reflected in your bookmarks. Now we'll assign actions to our buttons. Click on the first button and turn on the Action toggle. From the Type dropdown, select Bookmark. For the Hide button, choose the Hidden bookmark, and for the Show button, select the Shown bookmark. This will link the buttons to their respective actions. Finally, let's test our buttons. Hold down the Control key and click on the buttons to see if they work as intended. You should be able to toggle the visibility of your slicers seamlessly. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to show and hide slicers without clearing filters using Power by Bookmarks and Buttons. This technique can significantly enhance your reports and make them more interactive for your audience. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.